Hey, Andrew Plies here again with MarineMax on Lake Lanier, here to walk you through another one of our brand new Crest 220 DLXs. Starting up here in the bow area, we are going to have really nice U-shaped seating around. You're going to have storage underneath each seat. And then another really cool feature up here in the bow area, you are going to have a speaker and cup holder combo, both on the port and starboard side. Both of those speakers will light up, so if you're out at night, it gives a really good ambiance out there on the lake. Under here on your port side, you are going to have a pull-out Crest cooler. And then moving back here, as far as storage, this boat has a ton of storage. Really unique feature on this Crest 220 is this 3-drawer system. So you're going to have a little cabinet up here, a drawer down here, and then another larger drawer down there. Down below, subfloor storage here in our tunes, we are going to have a huge ski locker. So right now we currently have the cover in here, but anything from your floaties to your tubes, anything you want to put in here when you're out on the lake. Really nice big storage area. Moving to the helm station of this Crest 220, you are going to have a Lowrance display. So this is going to have all your chart plotting as well as your transducer for your depth finder and fish finder. This boat is equipped with an upgraded Fusion audio system. You are going to have a cool cup, and then all these other rocker switches here are going to be for your navigation lights as well as your interior accent lights, master power, and then your horn here. Couple switches down here. One is going to be for your manual bilge pump out of that ski locker in the middle, and then another switch is going to be for the power bimini. So all Crests come standard with a power bimini. So with a push of a button, this bimini will raise and lower. Moving here aft of this boat, again, really nice U-shaped seating back here with storage throughout. To complement the front, you are going to have 2 more port and starboard side speakers as well as cup holders. Moving back into the swim platform of this Crest. This boat comes equipped with a 150 horsepower outboard motor, as well as a ski pylon. So if you're doing any wakeboarding or skiing, or you're towing the kids tubing out on the lake, this boat can pretty much do it all. So if you'd like to come see this boat, visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier, or visit our website at marinemax.com.